Hi! This is Zen, your amazing mama from QC, and for today's video, andito nga tayo ngayon sa leading international auto service center na kung saan ipapa-deep clean and scanning natin si Valerie and tignan natin kung ano pa ba yung mga other services nila dito. Tara!
Alam niyo ba na dito, you can get everything from a basic PMS para laging tip-top ang ride nyo? Kung magkaroon naman kayo ng konting gas-gas or bigger dings, no worries dahil expert din sila sa mga body repair and repaint. They also have skilled technicians that can handle any mechanical and electrical troubleshooting. At syempre, sa init ng panahon, importante ang malamig na aircon. They offer top-notch aircon cleaning, car wash, and detailing services para laging presentable. For those who love to personalize their cars, they also do car modification and professional car tint installation. But wait, there's more! Ang gusto ko talagang i-highlight today is yung paint protection film installation nila, guys. Ito yung parang invisible shield for your car, keeping its finish looking brand new for years. Super sulit na investment ha, lalo na kung mahal mo yung sasakyan mo. Kaya nga, ito talaga yung pinag-iipunan namin for Valerie. So for now, i-check muna natin yung pagdi-deep clean at scan sa kanya.
So, bali sir, ano po yung ginagawa nyo ngayong pag-check?
I-check po namin muna unang step yung mga dents po para bago namin siya galawin para po aware sa may-ari.
Okay, so part yun ng scanning.
Apo.
Then after nun, dun nyo na siya lilinisin.
Apo.
Thank you, sir!
Kaya ano pang inaantay nyo? For reliable, quality, and comprehensive car care, this leading international auto service center is the place to be.